Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Toyota Sequoia. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a power seat, a headlight cleaning system, remote keyless entry, and seat memory. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 15 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.